guys! Welcome back! So, I just wanted to show you kung ano yung difference ng ginawa namin from before. So, now, we just made a DIY customized storage box rather for our scrapbook. So, as you can see, I used acrylic plastic as a side and top window panel. I also used cardstock for the entire body. And double adhesive to adhere everything together. I also use washi tapes as a design and ribbons just to add, some chic to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alrighty, I think we're ready to unpack this beauty. So let's open this box and oh my gosh, look at that thickness of that scrapbook album and the texture. Sobrang pretty niya. So, tuwang-tuwa ako kapag may mga scrapbook album na sobrang kapal. And, the colors in itself and yung mga trinkets, yung mga pom-poms, and other materials na ginamit, that actually adds to the texture. And as well as yung mga shimmering gold na yan. I love it. So, I hope you guys like it. Okay, now I think we're ready to open it. So, you see here, gumawa ko ng shaker boards. Tapos, hindi lang siya basta shaker, pero pwede ka rin mag-insert ng photo dyan. So, pwede mong palitan yung paper na yon. So, and then may pom-poms as well. And then on this next page, you will see na may pom-poms again, but look at that, the texture or the print is very pretty, and as well as the layerings of the ephemeras. Here, makikita mo, it's really good when you have a solid color because when you add some design paper, it actually pops up. So, you'll see there, ang ganda nung design niya. The next one, so you cannot go wrong when you're playing with photos and as well as ephemera. So, just, go with it. And then on the next page, you will see I put in like a window card and a pocket inside. Now, just so for a little surprise and added, texture and design for the scrapbook. And of course, don't forget to add the photos of every milestone for the family. And ta-da! Another surprise pocket. And also here, we've gotten different pretty faces of the baby. So we just laid it out here. And then another surprise packet on the side. Okay, so there's mom and dad. We included them, of course. And we have another good surprise here. So we have like a folding card that you can add on to the layers of in the texture of your scrapbook. And of course, mom and dad is there. And then that heart on the side that you see, that's actually where we put in yung ribbons para mag-close yung pop-up cards. And then, you cannot go wrong again with a shimmering background paper and different textures. So, add it as a design for your scrapbook. And here, this is like an invitation die cut. You can actually use it as a pocket for your scrapbook album. And there you go, the last surprise. Just add on like a pocket for stickers as an additional design in case, the parents wanted to add more photos of the baby. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy. See you next video.